Not sure with the stick, boy. Go. Go. No, go. Hurry up. What happened, boy? Why didn't you go in the water?
She is fast.
But what? Go in the water.
No.
Why?
This is sharks there.
What?
The ducks there. The ducks bite me.
The duck is gonna bite you? No, the duck is not gonna bite you. Go in the water, boy. It's okay. Jump in the water, man.
No.
Why?
That's a shark.
There's a shark in there. Look, there's a duck again. Go touch her. Go, boy.
Careful.
You gotta be fast.
No, Marco, no.
Heidi, go, touch her, boy.
No, Marco.
Go touch her. Tata, go jump in the water?
No, come here.
Okay, let me go jump in the water.
No,
Yes.
no.
You don't want to let me go jump in the water?
No, that's sharks.
There are sharks, but Tata is strong. I'm gonna kill the shark.
No.
Why?
Snakes right there and spiders.
Tata is gonna kill the spiders and the snakes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Why?
Because it's there.
You don't want to let Tata go?
No, I want to bring the big and kill the duck.
No, we don't want to kill the duck. Come on, let's go.